Today you will see how I built this full-scale arcade machine. Firstly, I need to mention that I finished it about a year ago and I didn't plan to make a video, so I have a little of materials for the period of building. Step 1. Design. I used stock images as a sample of general arcade machine. Then I decided to buy this old CRT TV and use it as a screen for arcade machine. But it was a bit wide, so I made it a bit thinner using a saw. I also bought this cheap used PC to make the heart for machine out of it. Then I used Autodesk Fusion 360 to sketch up machine design, including sizes of all components such as TV and PC, and include width of all wooden boards. First of all, you need to connect video out of PC to TV, but I had HDMI output on my graphics card and SCART input on TV. So I decided to use HDMI SCART video converter that I bought on AliExpress. Now let's talk about sound. I bought a pair of 4-inch speakers, some cheap and weird amplifier, and a pair of plastic coverage for speakers. Talking about controls, I bought a pair of arcade buttons kit, and basically computers sees it as general USB gamepad. All buttons and joysticks plug in a kind of motherboard and then it should be connected to the PC. Also, I got a Kane adapter, but I've never used and connected it. I just installed it on the front panel. Part 2. Assembly. Firstly, using MDF boards of different widths, such as 10mm, 18mm and 25mm, I made a huge box which will be a body of our arcade machine. It also has a kind of shelf for the screen. Remember that it has to be on because the weight of our TV is about 40 kilograms. Then I put the all joints and polish it. Unfortunately, I will leave no seams for the body because, as I said earlier, I made it more than a year ago and I didn't keep it. Then I painted body black and varnished it. Then I decided to make sides cooler than just solid black and ordered vinyl stickers to stick it on the sides. And finally I got things that you will see on your screen. However, I do not recommend the solution with stickers because it could peel off and wrinkle, and in my case it did it. So I think it's better to use graffiti paints or airbrush. Step 3. Software. I chose Mami emulator as an arcade driver and just installed it on my Windows machine. You can find plenty of guides for it, so there is no need to explain how it works and how to use it. Conclusion. In fact, this machine is not so reliable as it seems to be. And believe me, you will use this machine for gaming purposes very rarely. So it's just interesting to build it. Thank you for watching this video.